right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to it, shall we? Um, Shocker of the day. We have another huge range that we're dealing with. You may be thinking we haven't done much, but as you guys can see, Asia did a lot, which could spell trouble for AM session, possibly. So, first of all, let me log in. Somebody said yesterday I wasn't being fully transparent because I wasn't showing my card number. Maybe I should show the password, right? Full transparency, guys. Full transparency. But as you guys can see, we lost about $51 yesterday. $51.70 to be exact. Um, you know, just have to cry after that, right? But let's see what we can get, man. Let's see what we can get. We got S&T on a higher time frame. Between ES and NQ, I'm just marking that as potentially being a breaker. But as we can see, NQ took out the previous day's high while ES has not. So we got some bearish S&T there. Did I say bullish before? If I said bullish, I meant bearish. So some bearish S&T there. Just filled in this new week opening gap. Yeah. So could potentially be looking for shorts. We got to keep in mind as well, we still have those equal lows sitting down here that, I wouldn't mind getting taken out, right? All this stacked liquidity down here. Now, as we already know, we don't know how long it's going to take for them to want to go take that out, because as we can see up here, we still have these equal highs that I was trying to target like, a week, 2 weeks ago, that we still have not taken out yet. So just because they're down there doesn't mean that that's where they're trying to go. So got to keep that in mind as well. Yeah, as of right now, man. Let me just survey the land real quick. Pretty sure the daily and the weekly ain't gonna tell me much. We close back inside the range, which means typically we should be going for the low. Or potentially, I should say. Let's look at the bot. I literally traded the consequent encroachment of this wick. I don't know, man. When it comes to gold, bro, I just do not have confidence in gold. Got YM bouncing off of this. Low resistance liquidity down there as well. I mean, like I've been saying the past couple of days, bro, I can see it going both ways. So that kind of sucks. Go to Forex Factory. We got nothing today. Wonderful. What? Oh, bro. I thought that thing was saying it was about to restart my OBS. I was about to get mad. I still have not done the work to get music on here, bro. Or to find, like, some music I like. I don't want to just put, non-copyrighted music that I don't like in the background. Let's do this. Because I want to know if and when ES crosses that. Because then that'll cancel out the SMT. I mean, we got stacked liquidity at the bottom. Thing is, I just can't trust that they want to go there. Not yet. I gotta see something. It would be great just to see a freaking uni, bro. I don't know where they've been at. It's like after I endorsed them, they disappeared, and ES just took that high. So just make sure the SMT is going. Yeah. All right. So no SMT that we could use as a confluence, which is fine. NQ bouncing off of this as well. I mean, could we go higher? I mean, I can see it. We got low resistance liquidity down here. I mean, up here. I can see it, man. I hate that they're just stacking liquidity on both sides, bro. That kind of pisses me off. I'm gonna delete this for now. Yeah, it's just created relative equal highs with Friday's high. Or excuse me, yesterday's high. Wait, what? Or Sunday's high, I guess I should say. Doesn't matter. I guess for now we can see how it reacts to this fair value gap right here. Just combine both of them. Oh my god. Let's see if gold makes this. I don't know if the ranges on gold have been crazy. Let me see. That's not horrible. Alright, let's see how this reacts up out of here. Yeah, I just thought about it, bro. Amazon did not deliver my package, bro. They talking about it was out for delivery yesterday. Well, that's a good reaction. This right here is why you can't trust gold. But it did just sweep this low inside of this fair value gap here. Y'all just let me know if we about to start the buy side of the curve, because the way y'all been selling off, y'all got me nervous to buy. I'm not gonna lie. But we do got a lot of highs we can target. And shoot, you don't even need all that, to be honest. I closed decently. I might just wait for the macro, bro. I'm trying to think, like, when is daily bearish FVG? Right? With the volume imbalance. I'm trying to see if I want to fade that. Or like if I want to take the risk of trading against that. Asia ran up, London ran up. No buyers have been stopped out yet. Even the AM session buyers from yesterday. Right, they haven't been stopped out. Just gotta be patient, unfortunately. I'm sure there's some people, bro, that watch these live streams and be like, "Man, it seems like you've been losing a lot, bro. How are you a break-even trader, bro?" Well, number one, here recently hasn't been my best trading. Number two, most of the time when I win, my wins are way bigger than my losses. Like, way bigger. So, they all balance each other out. The problem is, when my wins are way bigger than my losses, unfortunately, I go on a losing streak and just kind of ruins it. If I could like limit my losing streaks or figure out what I'm doing in those losing streaks, I could I low key could probably be, you know, consistently profitable. If I could just not lose, then I would be profitable. Sounds crazy, right? Let's see what this macro does. I'm trying to think, like, am I tripping? But there is a part of me that's saying, like, bruh, we are so low. Selling right now would be crazy. But we've been selling off since July 17th. And here it is, what? August 7th. We created equal lows. Is that a coincidence? I don't think so. Let's see if we start getting some displacement to the downside. I'm gonna delete this and just mark it with a line. So knowing that that's that 15-minute FVG currently that's being created. This is technically your first CISD. Did gold ever do it, bro? It did not. It invalidated itself. Ladies and gentlemen, we may be getting ready to take us a trade. I know I should never say anything, bro. As soon as I say it, they just ruin it. I should just keep my mouth shut. Got the market stream sniping me, bro. Never mind. False alarm. Depending on how big the stop is, we may have to go to the micros. But I would love to just get one contract, bro. I'm not going to say a word. But if you know, you know. Just move this down. If you know, you know. That's all I'm going to say. If you know, you know. I'm not going to say a word about what I'm thinking about doing. But if you know, you know. Okay? Oh, please don't. Oh my God. False alarm. Just re-swept this low in this 5-minute FVG here. That's something to keep in mind. The 15-minute fair value gap has now moved to down here. I'm trying to keep all of this in mind, bro. Look at the difference between ES and NQ. I'm open to buy and sell today, so it's all just gonna be depending on what I see. I guess what I would want now, if I'm going to be bullish, is like see us. Oh my God, bro! Do not leave, bro. Please. Like see us tap into this 15-minute fair value gap, find something on the 1 minute to take it higher. Just don't leave, please. I'm begging. Good Lord, YM. I don't know, y'all. We may be getting left, y'all. Jesus, man. It's just hard for me to take a trade knowing that there's something it can pull back to, bro. And it makes sense for them to pull back to it. Like, it's just hard for me to do that. Yeah, dude, I can't. I'm sure if I hop on this 1 minute, I'd probably get baited into taking this. I'm just gonna have to live with the result, bro. If it wants to leave, it's gonna have to leave me because I can't do it, man. I'm not about to get baited into a setup. This is the opening of the fair value gap here. I'm just gonna delete this red box. Delete that. That's the opening of it. We can sweep this and start displacing back higher. I'd be open to taking a buy, but this thing could just want to take off. We low-key need these to fail. There's some bearish S&T between ES and NQ on the 1 minute. We'll see if that holds up. All right, let's see if these gaps are gonna hold up. Low key though, we just display slower. I wouldn't mind taking the sell. Ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, now that is displacement. You know what I'm saying? That right there, that's displacement. Oh, a 50-point stop, per usual. If we close below this low, like, and we don't sweep it, I'm taking this bearish gap on the micros. We gotta close below it though to make me confident. Looks like we're not gonna do that. We're sweeping it, which means I low key gotta be patient now. But we can keep this in mind because if it does respect off of that, we can just take the fair value gap, hopefully coming off of that. So I'm on the micros already. All right, so we just tapped into that 15-minute gap. Going back up. This is low-key looking decent for the buy. So the reason why I didn't take this, by the way, let me just reiterate it, is because we did not close below this low. Since we, wicked below, that's giving me an indication that they may want to just continue higher. That's just a little liquidity sweep, tapping into a 15-minute fair value gap to then continue higher, possibly. Now, obviously, we don't know, right? We don't have a crystal ball. But there's a couple different scenarios. If we start displacing higher, I'll take a buy. If we respect this fair value gap like we're doing now, and we create another fair value gap going down, I'll take that. Simple enough. I'm not taking an inverse. I can't stand taking inverse fair value gaps, bro. But now I'm sure there's like a bullish SMT 55. Yeah, slight bullish SMT. Slightly. ES has a higher low, and Q lower low because it swept that low. Let me do this. Put an alert on this. Respecting consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. There we go. Come on, I need you to close a little bit better than that. All right, there we go. All right. If we get this fair value gap, again, I'm not taking an inverse setup. If we get this fair value gap, is the market like frozen, bro? I will take a setup. Is the market like frozen, bro? They was trying to play us. I'm not liking how this candle is closing, bro. All right, yeah, no, we're gonna have to wait, man. Past couple days, these third candles in the sequences, bro, have not been closing how I want them to close. Should I? 24, 21 point stop. If I take that, let's see. This price action is ugly, bro. I'm okay with being just a little bit more patient. Like, I'm not liking how this stuff is forming. But this FEG got respected here, so let's see if we can get one with like a little bit more meat on the bone. Like, I can't stand these super small fair value gaps. Y'all know me. But we are building some confluences here. Just swept this low. I just hope we're not about to get some consolidation, bro. Patience, patience, patience. Steven. For those of y'all that don't know, man, Steven, that's the guy right there. I ain't gonna put his business in the streets, but just know he's the guy. 50K is going. I lost a whopping $51 yesterday. He might be getting us a setup here. You gotta keep in mind, y'all, we still got this SMT here. An average Joe, but hey, man, you know. Just know Steven been going crazy, y'all. Now this is clear. If this, all right, chill. We see what you're trying to do. We see what you're trying to do. Just chill. Just relax. Don't fall off a cliff, bruh. Wait a second. Wait a second, please. I'm gonna take this, y'all. I'm gonna have to go to the micros. I ain't gonna lie. That's just a little bit over what I want to do. Man, don't this market be causing pain, bro? This market be causing pain and agony. Like right now, this thing just dumps without me. Like, please. Oh my God. Right, we can do 8 micros. Relax, bruh. Get back up here, please. I ain't asking for much, man. This is micros, bro. I just gotta check, man. Make sure I ain't on these doggone minis. Oh yeah, that would be decent. Let me just make sure we ain't doing nothing crazy. Yeah. If we can pull back into this, I take that. Years of pain, years of pain. Who you telling, bro? Years of pain. Years of thinking, like, maybe I should just quit this. Maybe I should just leave it alone. Go get a job. Live a nice, quiet, peaceful life, because trading is anything but peaceful. Let me put this limit on. I'm gonna give this short a shot. Oh yeah, bro. I can only do 5 contracts on the micros. Oh, I forgot about that. All right, change of plans and do 5 contracts. Well, shoot, if I can do 5, that means I can low key put my stop in a better spot like that. How much is that? Oh my god, 50K sucks, bro. Can only do 5 contracts. Let's see if we can even get this freaking entry, bro. Oh, ES just tapped into it. I don't like ES, man. What does it stop here? 41. That's 250. Might have to do 1 contract on ES. They both look good, but I would prefer NQ. All right. I'm gonna give this short a shot. Y'all already know. If we inverse it, that is the only way I'm getting out. Period. Only way I can get out of this trade early is if we inverse the fair value gap I'm using. I should have put the limit on so I can get like my exact entry that I wanted, but this is perfectly fine. Risking 510. $38.25. This is a decent trade. I mean, I told you guys I could see this going lower, like at the beginning of the stream, just because obviously we've been falling off a cliff the past 2 weeks now. There is some worry, just because we are kind of bouncing off of this 1 hour gap down here, but we did take out that external, so hopefully we can get the internal draw back into here somewhere. And hopefully I can catch an actual dub on stream, bro. I feel like I've been getting just straight break evens and losses, bro. Break evens and losses. But that's where we're going, break even right here. That's like 50 points away, bro. These ranges have been crazy, man. But this is kind of like when they be telling you to wait for something that's like stupid clear. Like this falling off a cliff was dumb clear. Like dummy clear, bro. I did point out we did have S&T right here between ES and NQ. I don't like that wick. If we can just get back down there, that would be amazing. Just make sure we ain't hitting nothing. We are still technically respecting a 5-minute gap. The 15-minute is still low-key getting respected as well. And I like this. I'm gonna move this to this fair value gap candle. So now this trade's only risking 297. Let's see if we can get us a dub, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get down there. Do what you're supposed to do. I'm on stream. All right. Don't make me have to call these banks and be like, hey, yo, get these markets in order. If we just start displacing back up, I'm out of this thing. I got my hand over the trigger. How many points are we in profit right now? Or were we in profit? Oh my God. 46 points in profit, bro. Do it. All right, we're break even right now. TP1 hit. Let's see if we can just get delivery just straight through here. Come on. I'm going to trail this pretty tightly. I ain't going to lie. I'll put it right here above this candle. Mistakes I made in the past was just like literally letting all my profit go because I'm trying to hold until Kingdom Come. But, you know, I'm not doing that again. Well, I'm not doing that anymore. If this doesn't just deliver straight through, I'd rather just be out. Yeah, TP1 hit. Stop loss is trailed super tight, bro. Maybe getting stopped in profit here. That's fine if we do. Just fall off a cliff. Just do it. I mean, at least to here, right? Just fall fast and furious. Just get down there. These candles, man. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take. I'm gonna take 2 off. Why can I not take 2 off? Dude, is it because I'm capped at? I think it is because I'm capped at 5, so I can't even put a. I can't even take 2 off. That's actually crazy. Well, never mind. I ain't taking 2 off. I'm gonna hold this thing. It's too much liquidity down here for them not to come down here and take it out. It's too much. We inverse these gaps. Worst case, I just close at like. I'm walking away with 200. How about that? I ain't gonna let it get past 200 now. Well, never mind. Oh well. Okay. So I learned something new today. The top step, you can't even partial if you can only have 5 contracts and you're using all 5 contracts. Okay. Well, that sucks. But we got TP1. Walked away with 165, bro. Oh my god. I didn't know that, man. I thought I would at least be able to partial. Dang, we were up 800 at one point. I did not know that. Okay. Well, we walked away with 165. I'm not mad at that. More so mad at the fact that I couldn't partial when I wanted to partial. That's kind of irritating. But I guess one thing I could take away from this, one thing I was thinking about was like with this candle, I was like, all right, if it closes back above, this low, then I might just close it out. I didn't do it, obviously. Maybe greed kicked in, but I'm not mad at this trade. I'm not mad at it at all. So we are now officially in profit on this account. All the way with 165, guys. Not mad at that. I mean, we were up a lot more. I wasn't able to manage it the way I wanted to, and that's because I didn't know that I couldn't, take profit or a partial because I used all 5 contracts. It's kind of crazy to me, but it is what it is. So I guess we can say this is a dub, even though I didn't get to catch all of it. And now look at it, bro. Delete that. I bet you if I took ES. Oh no, it would have been insane. It wouldn't shock me, man, if we just continue delivering through here, but yeah. Oh well. You could say I mismanaged this one. That's fine. small win of 165. Yeah, that's kind of irritating though, low key. Wish I would have known that, but you know, you live and you learn. Luckily, this isn't Apex, bro, where it trails my unrealized gains, bro. Because your boy would be in trouble right now. But we're up $114, guys. We're rich. That's what I'm gonna call it right there. Appreciate everybody showing up. Kev, what's up, man? What's up, Kev? I wish I would have known that, bro. If I would have known that, I would have obviously did differently. But oh well. We caught us a little small, little baby dub. Now I know when I use 5 contracts, you can't partial because technically they're like, oh, you're going to be adding 2 more contracts, which is above your max. So that's irritating. But oh well. I'm going to call it there. Walking away with small dub, like I said. I'll be back here same time tomorrow. If you guys got any questions, just reach out in the Discord or leave a comment. But that's all I got, man. Happy trading to everyone. Facts. A W is a W, bro. A W is a W. Would I be mad if someone walked up to me and gave me $165? No, I would not. So, yeah. I'll go ahead and call it there, though. We got TP1. I mismanaged the trade indirectly because I wasn't trying to. I didn't know I couldn't partial, which is weird. But, oh well. Like I said, I'm calling it there. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, man. Ready to make some more money. And, yeah, man. We're going to get this combine passed ASAP. So, that's all I got. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow.